Creative Stamping magazine. This is issue 82, and as you can tell from the front of it, there are some great outdoor stamps. As a matter of fact, they're included. Every single one of these is included in with the set, so you can see that there are just a ton of them. In fact, I'm trying to find the number of them, but I bet there's 20 some. They're just great. I love these shoes. I think they're just great. So you've got words, you've got imagery, you've got landscapes, just a lot of things going on. And let's get inside and see some other ideas and how to use these or suggestions for using them. Here we're going to go. Now, this is, a lot of times when you see something like this, you'd think, oh great, masculine cards, that's going to be wonderful. And while that's true, don't forget, ladies like to go hiking and go out camping and so forth too. And so this is called Ladies of Leisure. That's fun to do. And this is a technique of doing mixing ink blending with watercoloring. So you get some step-by-steps there. Some beautiful looks, just absolutely really, really nice. And even some very simple, and I thought that was just beautiful, putting that into a circle. So that's always good to see. And then we've got a section on creating a collage. Now this is using some stamps from Crafter's Companion, and yes, we do carry those, so that's always nice to see. Here is a way of doing some suggestions for using the stamps on scrapbook pages, for journals, for a planner, for a diary, just so many things that you can do. And for previous trips or trips that you plan to take perhaps in the future. And this is a whole section on stamping on gloss cardstock and some beautiful, beautiful looks. And you'll see the step-by-steps right here to show you how to do that. Just really nice. More ideas to have in your creative toolbox. And then we'll go back here where we're going to see more ways of using those stamps. I thought this was particularly fun, just coloring in the base of the cameras multiple times and doing a circular happy birthday. This is fun. And another look, all of these just using that one stamp out of that whole combination is just really nice way to go. Now this is crafting on a plate. Now if you want to use a jelly plate, or I think these are just really good techniques to see, but you could certainly duplicate these with watercolor, water-based ink pads. That would work just really well too. Now, let's go further into here. This is something different I never would have thought of, but you can use your stamps and then do wood burning onto a wood surface. That's going to give you another idea. Nice thing to have. I never thought about doing that. Then we're going to do adventure trails. So escape the journey, time to explore is what it's saying. I thought this was fun with just that wood piece right there, that circular one, and make that into a background. Really fun idea. Just lots of things to do with those stamps. And here are some more. This was, I thought, really striking, using that stamp, that landscape stamp, as kind of a background, doing a panel on top, and happy trails and happy birthday. Really nice. So you don't have to do a whole lot to make these very, very special cards. Now I wanted to show you this because there is a download, and the information is right here in the magazine where you can get these little people as downloads. So that's an extra bonus. So all of this is available, and all of it is available right now here at paperwishes.com.